Friends, hello everyone. Glad to welcome you to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can fix the situation if your iPhone does not charge higher than 80%. Friends, please subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put your likes and write your comments under this video. So let's get down to our topic. First of all, open up the phone settings on your iPhone and then scroll down a little bit to the bottom of the settings menu and select battery. Next, wait for everything to load up. And here you'll need to go to an option called Charge Optimization. You'll find this option if you have a newer model of phone, such as a 15, 14, 13 iPhone. And if you have a slightly older model of phone, for example, like I have a 10 iPhone, then you'll need to go to this option here. And if you have an older model of phone, then you'll just need to turn off charging optimization like this. Just click on this button and confirm your action. If you have a newer model phone, then you will have a little list at the top where you can see that you have a check mark on the 80% charge optimization. You'll just need to turn that off by turning your check mark to off, and then your iPhone will be charging above 80%. These are the ways, friends, you will be able to fix the situation if your iPhone is not infecting higher than 80%. I hope this video was useful for you friends and helped you. Please put your likes, write comments below the video, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you soon.